Well, we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And this live is about a web app I am working on. It's about a Twitter clone. So, yeah, I'm working on it. Anyway, the reason I'm working on this one is because I have a bit of a problem, and that is, as you can see here, it is the upgraded version in Next.js. In the present, there is app router which is recommended by Next.js, but all the tutorials out there, I was doing this tutorial, the Twitter clone by Code with Antonio. It was, as you can see, it was in March 11, 2023, which is more than 2 years ago. So if I want to do this project, I can do with the version at the time of the recording by this Antonio, but that will be pretty much as copy paste, and that is not something I want to do. Or I can do is that I read this documentation and use the app router with pretty much everything the latest version, because as you can see that as it was in 2023, all others like Tailwind, Prisma, Mongo, Versil and NextAuth, uh, some pretty much more than half of them have different syntaxes and different updates. So I think it will be better if I just make my own. Of course, I will be using this for a reference because it's still a bit problem. So anyway, the as you can see that this is the Twitter interface, and what Antonio is doing is pretty much um does this have a live version? Let's see the live version. Mm, 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 mm. Go to the site. Except, does this have a um I think it doesn't. And as you can see in the background that this has pretty less features, and I wanted to add few more. For example, this community tab, the bookmark, and if possible, I want to add this AI feature, the crook. This has come recently, and this one, the premium version and all. Well, let's forget about that for now. What we can do is accept this premium and verified org feature. We can add the remaining all of it. Mm, well, I'm thinking way more I am capable of. So anyway, I am thinking of doing this, and one more thing is that I am just selling the tickets even before the picture is made, and by doing this, I am already pointing my gun on my foot. Well, anyway, let's take this as a challenge and work on it. If it works out, fine, and if doesn't, well, we'll think about that later on. For now, we will just do this. Okay. So before I start the explanation about the current situation, here is something I need to explain, and that is, where did you go? Okay, and that is, I I wanted to start it from the beginning, but things happened, and I pretty much got an idea of doing it live. And few things I have done is that in this app section there was this space. I have removed everything after installation, and in layout also I have cleaned up pretty much everything. And 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 the global CSS. Here also I have cleaned up everything after I install my Next.js. And for those who want to know how to install Next.js, you can just refer this documentation here, the installation part. You just have to do npx create next app at the latest, and where is pretty much this all of it I have done this one. Like I have used TypeScript and ESLint, Tailwind CSS, and I didn't use source directory. And apart from that, I have used app router, turbo pack, alias. I think I used the default one, and this is not required because I used the default part. After that, after the clean installation is some is oh, where it go? After the clean installation, I cleaned up the folders. And one more thing is I am really sorry about what I did back there. And okay, my bad. Here's the screen. As you can see, I was explaining here and I wasn't aware that I am not on the right screen. Okay, so you have to do npx uh, create next app at the latest, and you have to give your name. I use TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS, and I didn't use source directory. Apart from that, I have used everything, app router, turbo pack, and I also use the default, so this one will be no for me. And after that we go to the coding section part, and here I actually cleaned up everything apart from these files. So I cleaned up everything. As you can see, there is nothing over here, and in the layout section as well, there is nothing over here. I will be coming on this sidebar and the right sidebar thing. So so the thing is that um in app router, you basically you won't be doing any um these basis tsx, and in place of that, what you will be doing is that you will be making these folders. So in app router, what happens is that if you make a folder and inside that folder you add a file named page.tsx, and inside that you will um, just do a simple this is chat, right? So chat, if you do this just this one and you come back to share and localhost forward slash chat, you will go to directly that page. Wait a minute, you have to okay so as you can see, that we are on chat page. So what I'm trying to say is that it is way more easy than it previously was. So here you can directly make a folder and it becomes a page. And one more thing is that in this layout section, these sidebar are something that will be staying as it is, and this one will not be rendered for every page that is being loaded, that is being rendered. Sorry for that. It's not been loaded, it's been rendered. So basically the app will not process these two things, and because it is in the layout section, it will be processed when there's some uh, if it is required. So here we will go to the sidebar section which I was going to explain, and here I have to clean up this section. So there is not pretty much nothing over here, and here what you all seeing the imports is just icons that I imported from React icons, and it's just a simple div with icons in it with size 20, and these are the some icons that are, let me show you, that are just a simple solid version of this outline icons. I am keeping them here because I have to process it. Like if I am on that particular page, I will be making it a solid fill, and if I am on the outline, it will be, if I'm not on that page, it will be a simple outline. So I have to work on it, and I have to make it as such that it becomes interactive. And for that reason, I have kept it as it is. And these are the things that I will be working on as a part, because let me show you the page. Okay, where is it, the page? Oh, sorry, layout. In the layout, as you can see that I have already used a flex over here. What I am trying to do is it will be three section. So these are for right now, these are not uh, configured for the desktop version. Right now I am making it for the mobile version. This here sidebar will be situated over here, and when it goes to a, let me expand this, just wait a second, I will expand this, and you can get a overview. Desktop. Okay, okay, give me a second. Windows capture. Okay, and here you go. Let me maximize it. As you can see that right now, wow, okay, okay, we are correct over here. So this is three section. This one part is over here is one section, and this over here is the middle section, and this one over here is the right side bar. I have to work on this so that it becomes desktop friendly as well. But for now, I am working on, where is the code? Okay. Uh, for now, I am working on the mobile person part of it. So pretty much this is what's going on. And going further, I am trying to code this tutorial video by Antonio, and my uh, work will be on making it into version 15.3. Okay. Oh, I can do this. I can go to this site over here. I can go to this site over here, download it source code. So this has become premium. Well, what can I do? What can I do? I think there was something. Let's see. Code with Antonio, and well, there is nope. The GitHub part was easy to open, but now I have to pay. Well, now you have it. Yeah, I have to do it complete on my own, because as you can see, these two tutorials I already did, and that was more than 2 years ago when it was just when this one was uploaded. So we have a problem. Mhm. So we have to do it on our own. I don't think it's already been so long. Why is it saying an hour? It's only been 15 minutes. Let me check if the live is working properly. Okay. Well, I have an idea, and that is, as you have seen, um, I was doing this Twitter clone, and I didn't had the idea that the GitHub has been made into Pro, and you cannot access it without the Pro subscription by Antonio, which is good, but I don't like it. I have to do something about it, and that is simple. Wow. So here is the premium subscription that I am seeing. Well, anyway, um, I actually have this one. I have to check where. Let me search. This one is the past one. Mm, no, 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 no. Shit. Anyway, I have thought this through, and I am planning to make the whole tutorial on my own. As you have seen, I am. What am I saying, man? Okay, so the live website is no longer there because I wanted to see the live website as well. Can I not see the live website? Where is it? Is it possible? Is it not? 499 lifetime access. Nope, not happening. Where is the live? Where is the live? So as you can see, there is no live, but I'm thinking of doing something about it, and it will be out there soon. I want to make it, but will it be okay? Okay, I have to do it. I have to do it now. So see you in the next video, and there will be no live. I will be directly recording the videos. So see you later.